Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix MyMetro app not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen. After that, find settings. Click on settings. Now scroll down and find the app section. Click on apps. And now click on manage apps. In the search bar, type MyMetro app. And here you will see a app permission option. Click on app permission. Now here you will see all the necessary permission required for your MyMetro app. If you see any permission is not allowed, you have to allow all the permissions. After applying the necessary permission, you have to go to your home screen and now open your MyMetro app. Hopefully your MyMetro app will be working fine with this method. If this method is not working for you, now you have to close your app completely and then reopen it, and hopefully your issue will be fixed with this method. Hopefully these method will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.